welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, at least 4 or 5 months I think, but anyway, today I'm working on a project that I've been working on for a while. Working on my grandpa's boat. It's been sitting for about 9 years I think. The tags on it are still from 2014, so it's been sitting a while, but I've done a lot of work to it. We're not quite there yet, complete. Just got a few more things to get for it, and then it's gonna be ready to run. So today I've been working on the trailer. I have went through quite a bit of the motor, carburetors, and replaced a lot of fuel lines and stuff like that. But got a few more parts to get for it that hopefully I'll be getting here soon. But I'm gonna pull this thing out, show you what I've been working on. Got a little paint to do here. So thank you guys for stopping in. I'm gonna try to get back to making some videos. Alright guys, here it is. I'm going to be painting these. I just replaced these sideboards here. Got this side painted. It's coming along. Still got quite a bit of work to do. I got to get new steering cable, new steering wheel, and I got to get the hydraulics for back here. I've tried to mess with that for a while, couldn't ever get it, so that's basically what it needs, is hydraulics and new steering cable. And of course it's still got some electrical problems, but that can be done later. But anyway, pretty cool. Can't wait to get it going and do some fishing. Hopefully we can make some videos of having this thing out, so we'll see. I'm gonna get that painted and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I did get that painted. Looks pretty good. You can see there. So it turned out nice. Anyway, just a little update. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you back here soon with another video. Got a little bit more work to do on this, and then hopefully we'll get it out. So catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate it.